When I was a kid, I would sometimes secretly call myself Andrew. Would tug at the crotch of my pants the way the only prepubescent boys do. Ran around panning on my bare chest like Tarzan. Not that I thought I'd grow up to be a man. I just never thought I'd grow up to be a woman either. From what I could tell, neither of those categories fit me, but believe me, I knew from a very young age not to say, hey dad, this Adam or Eve thing isn't really working for me. I mean, what about all the people in between? In the 3rd grade, Lynette Lyons asked me where all my Barbies were. I lied and told her I got in trouble, so my mom took them away. I didn't dare say, Barbies suck, Lynette. And for that matter, Tommy, so does G.I. Joe. I want to go into something none of us has ever seen before, and gender is just one of those ways we're boxed in and labelled. Before we're ever able to speak, we dream we are or believe who we become, like drum beats forever changing their rhythm. I'm living today as someone I've not yet become yesterday, and tonight I will borrow pieces of who I was today and carry with me tomorrow. No, I'm not gay. No, I'm not straight, and I'm sure as hell not bisexual, damn it. I am whatever I am when I am it. Loving whoever you are when the stars shine, and whoever you will be when the sun rises. Yes, I like girls. Yes, I like boys. Yes, I like boys who like boys, and girls who wear toys and girls who don't. Girls who don't call themselves girls. Crew cuts or curls, that really bad hair phase in between. I like steam. Rising from the body of a one-night stand. I like holding hands for 3 months without kissing. I like wishing. Your body was Saturn, my body 1,000 rings wrapped around you. You wanted to be a Buddhist nun once. Last night you held my cervix between your fingers. I thank gods I don't believe in for your changing. Tell me we'll be naming our children beautiful and nothing else. Tell Barbie she can go now. Tell G.I. Joe to put his gun down and get a boyfriend or a girlfriend or a girl boyfriend, or fuck it y'all, G.I. Joe just needs a friend. I mean, he's plastic, and not even the plastic that bends I want to bend in 1,000 directions, like the sun does, like love does, like time stops. The hands of the clock could hold each other, and we held each other like I held these words for too many years on the tip of my tongue. I am my mother's daughter. I am midnight sun. You can find me in the moon, waxing and waning, my heart full of petals, every single one begging, love me, love me, love me, whoever I am, whoever I become, love me, love me, love me.